It is time for send out card birthdays. So I'm going to show you today how I use send out cards to send out birthdays. In the link in the video, you can check out the link to my website. If you did sign up as a customer and you're not signed up already, I would be your sponsor and I do receive a benefit. There's also an option for you to promote send out cards and actually make enough money to get your own subscription for free or your cards basically paid for, or even take it way beyond that if you want. So it all depends on how you want to use send out cards. So today I'm going to show you how I do birthdays, okay? So I have lots of ways of doing this, and it just depends on that day what I'm thinking of. So today I want to do Facebook birthdays. So I'm going to go over here to Facebook, and I have saved a bookmark up here called events. And how I did that, if you look right here, facebook.com/events/birthdays. That's how you can get here. So I go ahead and bookmark this. Whenever I'm going to go work on birthdays, this is where I go. Now, you want to give yourself enough time for your card to get printed and mailed out. So don't start on the day of, you're going to move forward. So today is September 16th. So I'm going to go into, let's see, I'm thinking the 23rd-ish. All right, so keep going. And 22nd. All right, let's go to, there we go. That's what I want. So I go down to later in September. That's perfect. All right. So we go to, let's just go to me. So let's pretend that Lori is my friend. All right. And I'm going to send Lori Ballen, who lives in Las Vegas, who's the best real estate agent out there. This is me. I want to send her a card. Okay. So I'm going to go to the about section. And when I go here, I'm going to look for Lori's birthday. All right. Now, as I showed you before, if we were using events, we already know that her birthday would be September 23rd based on that. All right. But let's just say it's down here August 29th. And I want to send Lori a card. Okay. First thing I do is I find a picture of Lori that I want to use on the birthday card. So in some cases, I'll just grab their profile picture. In other cases, I'll look at I'll do a quick glance here and see if there was something that stood out. Maybe they're all dressed up in a fancy dress or something. Who knows? So I pick something I like and I do a snapshot of it. So I'm going to do Command-Shift-4, or you can download it. It's public right here. So I can go to Options, Download, and then I'll just save that to my desktop. So I can delete it after the fact. All right, now I'm going to go back over to send out cards. I'm going to go to account and I'm going to go to card history. Now, here's why I'm doing it this way. I have the $99 or $97, whatever it is, per month unlimited version. What that means is I can send an unlimited amount of these types of greeting cards per month. I can send 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and it's still $99, and it doesn't increase. It includes postage. Okay. Now, if I wanted to send out automated campaigns, I have to buy touches. So this is manual. I'm manually going here and making these cards. So my rule of thumb is 5 cards a day. So I'm either going to send 5 birthdays, or maybe I'm scrolling Facebook that day and I'm looking at my sphere of influence and I'm going to send, pictures. Let me show you some examples. All right. First one's a thank you card. There's a happy birthday card we're about to make. If I scroll down, this picture is frame worthy. So I might just see a great picture I like as I'm scrolling Facebook. And I put it in this card, and it just in the inside, it says this picture was worth printing. And then I could put a little note. I do that with a lot of baby pictures. Look at this one. I love this picture of her dog. It was so cute. Trisha posted her dog in a 3D photo, and I went, boom, that's picture worthy. All right. So here's a buy or sell a house for real estate. Here's a new baby card, or like a 1-year-old baby card, that type of thing. All right. So you can kind of see that's what I do with my day. There might be a sympathy card. It might be look at your cute new pet card. So there's so much you can do. All you have to do is go over here to card catalog and take a look. And all of these cards, just because birthday, celebrations, holiday, love, like for example, we have Halloween coming up. So if I wanted to send out Halloween cards, I can type in Halloween and look at all these cards. Now, again, the drawback is I have to send them one at a time for the $99 a month fee. If I want to send this out in a campaign or, send out to a list, a bunch of people, then I've got to buy touches. So right now I'm just kind of doing this one-off thing and then we'll go from there. But there's so many options here, you guys. So many. All right, let's go back to birthday cards. So I go to my account and I go to card history and I go down and find a card that I've already sent that I want to send another one. So I'm going to go to birthday. So I already sent this card. So I'm going to go to the bottom right and I'm going to click resend. Okay. She's gorgeous, but she's not our birthday girl today. So we're going to upload a photo. Actually, I've already got pictures of Lori in here, me. But let's upload a photo. We'll grab the one we just took. We'll put that one in there so you can see what it looks like. And then I can make this bigger or smaller. So if I just want the top part, I can just go like that. If I want to get the whole picture in there, I can go like that. Isn't that great? Love this. Love this. So many photo cards. And it used to be back in the day with send out cards, we had to pay extra for all of this, for all these photos. Now you can put photos on the inside, on the back, on the front for no extra charge, including postage for this $99 a month. I need to look if it's $97 or $99, but you can look at the pricing. All right. So normally this card would be $1.75 plus postage. See there? It's not going to show that it's free until we get to the end. So don't freak out. So total $175. Now we go to next. All right. Now, this, if we were just done and ready to send, You can do it right from this screen and we can preview what it looks like. So first name, that will auto-populate whoever's first name is on the address. Sorry I'm late. Hope you're having a great birthday month from all of us at Lori Ballen team. Now, maybe we're not going to be late this time. So I'm going to go to edit. There's the front of the card. Click the little arrow to go to the inside. All right. And I'm just going to say, happy birthday from all of us at Lori Ballen team Las Vegas. Now up here, you can put another picture up there. So maybe you've got a picture of you holding up a happy birthday sign, or your team, or your office, or anything. You can actually put another picture up here. And if you go to layouts, you can actually choose what you want that to look like. So see here, I could put a little picture here now inside. I could put a picture up here, change the layout. I could put a collage of pictures. It's endless. Look at all these options. Can you imagine? So let's just say I've got somebody that I know that lost a bunch of weight. So I'm a weight loss coach. And I know people that lost a lot of weight. Maybe up here, I want to put their before and after picture and send them a congratulations card. Look how far you've come, right? I mean, endless ideas, guys. Endless, endless. All right. So let me just change this one back now to what I wanted it originally to be. So we'll go to layouts. Perfect. And I don't want to put any pictures on this one for now. So we'll go to layouts and we'll just make it blank. See how easy that is? Now we're going to go to the back. All right. So the back, you can put a call to action. You can put photos. You can put contact info. You can put like this card. Ask me how I made it to build your send out cards business. I mean, all kinds of things that you can do back here. You can put more stuff about that person, another picture, you know, so whatever you want. Now, I love to put pictures on the front of the card because people put these on their bulletin boards. They put them on their refrigerator. They put them on their counters, and they don't want to get rid of it because it's got a great picture of them or their baby or their animal or something great. It's them holding an award. I did one the other day. I sent out, the guy just ran he did the Iron Man thing, and now he's an official Iron Man. So I put a picture of him cutting through the ribbon for that. You know, these are things that people want to hang on to. That wasn't on the happy birthday one. That was on the frame one. This picture is worth printing. All right. So once we finish it, go to update. And then you're going to go to add recipient. All right. You're going to search. If you've already imported your database, they might already be in here. So I'm going to find which one I want to send it to. Click select, done. Okay. If I wasn't already in there, then I would go in there and manually print it. That's an old address for me anyway, so I would need to go in there. Or I can edit it right from here. So I'm going to click edit. And I'm going to say, let's send it to my new office, 9420 West Sahara, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89117. Now here, I can put in my birthday or whoever you're sending the card to so that it'll remind you next year when it's somebody's birthday coming up or their anniversary. Save contact. Now they're in your database. Now I want to let you know something cool. I'm going to click ready to send. And then I'm not actually going to send it, but see how it says free? So that's how you know it's free. When you get to the end and it says 175 marked out and it says free, then you click send, and it takes a couple days to send. This is why you need plenty of time. It takes a couple of days for it to go to, for them to give you the confirmation that it's been printed, and then they have to mail it. So I like to give myself a week. And a cool thing is if you have a CRM that has an open API, which means it integrates with other software, Send Out Cards actually works with some of these third-party platforms. So example, Infusionsoft has a third-party integration where, and I forget the name of the people that are create the bot that does this, but you can actually go to Infusionsoft, add a tag that says birthday, and it'll send out the birthday card for you. Or you can add a tag that says sympathy, and it'll send out a sympathy card for you. The bad thing is you can't go in and customize the card. So if you want to do this, you're going to want to use the Send Out Cards platform. But if you just have like a dozen cards that you've created and stored, sympathy, congratulations, happy birthday, happy Halloween, Christmas, whatever, you can assign a tag and it'll send them from there. But again, it gets tricky with your pricing. So you're going to have to check out how all that works. The way I showed you today is the way you can use your $99 a month unlimited. So if you did, let's just say you did 100 of these a month, your cards would be $1 mailed. Oh my gosh. How incredible is that in this day and age? $1 mailed, printed, color, pictures, everything. If you send 200 cards that month, your cards are 50 cents, right? So it is time to work that sphere of influence. This is a fantastic way to get rolling. I'm Lori Ballen in Las Vegas. Thanks for joining me. Check out the link below to sign up for Send Out Cards.